If you just started the series on SICP, you might not have a Scheme Interpreter on your computer yet. So in this short preview, I'll show you how to go in for Mac and Linux computers. First of all, MIT Scheme already provides the Scheme Interpreter on the website, but personally, it always gave me installation problems although I tried on different computers. So I'll show you the fastest way that I could find to get started with. Before doing anything else, we need to check that Homebrew is installed in our system, which is conveniently done through the brew help command. If you have Homebrew in your system, you get this log of commands that you can use with Homebrew, and if not, you'll just get an error message indicating that the command brew cannot be found. In that case, you want to navigate to Brew's website at brew.sh to complete the installation. On the website, you'll see the section titled Installing Brew. Just copy and paste this command into your terminal and hit return. It will give you a fair bit of guidance, so make sure to follow it through the installation. Once you're done, you can of course check out with Brew help. I'll skip this installation for the sake of time as I already have it installed. Next, head back to your browser and type MIT-Scheme into the search bar and hit return. This will take you to the MIT Schemes page, which conveniently displays the installation command for MIT Scheme. Copy and paste this into your terminal and hit return to start the installation. Once again, I'll skip this step. After the installation is done, you can test that everything's working by calling the Scheme Interpreter. Nice, you should now have a working Scheme Interpreter and you can start testing your code. You can exit the Scheme Interpreter by calling the exit method.